Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings, Alisha here. Welcome to my main cave, and people, check this out. In this video, I'm going to introduce the all-new RadioMaster Nomad. Wow, look at that, man. All CNC metal. Dual antennas. Now you must be asking, what is this new Nomad from RadioMaster? Well,
presenting the RadioMaster Nomad, the next evolution in Express ELRS RF design.
Well, that sounds really nice. So the RadioMaster Nomad.
The Nomad is equipped with dual third-generation Semtech LR1 1-to-1 transceivers, allowing for operation with both 2.4 GHz and 868, 915 MHz frequencies using the advanced Gemini X-Rospin protocol.
To be honest, you lost me right here. I don't know what those numbers mean, but those numbers did sound very important. However, why don't you just put it in simple English?
This technology enables the transmitter to send packets on both bands, simultaneously reducing the risk of packet loss due to interference.
Oui. Yes, this is the language we understand. Yes, exactly, that is what we needed. Interference-free, strong and reliable connections using dual band, dual frequencies, 2.4 GHz and 915 MHz on Nomad right here for your beloved models. CNC metal case and a powerful fan inside to cool down all the electronics and keep it running cool, because running dual 1-watt transceivers on this smaller module at the back of your radio, that's just like, you know, powering on 2 microwave ovens on the back of your radio. That's definitely a lots of power right here. So yes, there is a nice CNC metal housing with a fan inside, so everything will stay cool. We have 2 buttons here, okay, on the front, and down here we have an external power port, DC 6 to 16.8 volts. All right, you can see that. And then we have a USB-C port here. Now this is the module that will fit on the back of your RadioMaster TX16S. You don't have to buy any kind of adapters or anything, because it does have a bigger module bay adapter right here. If you're using other radios from RadioMaster that take light modules, this one is available with a light module adapter. So look at that. On RadioMaster TX16S, it's just this easy to plug. So nothing much to see here. As usual, RadioMaster has again released something very, very valuable, and they are keeping it just pure, simple, plug and play, making your RadioMaster radios even better. Now I will be using the RadioMaster Nomad with these receivers, DBR4. RadioMaster has released these receivers. Let me bring the one which I've just taken out. So here is one in my hand with 4 discrete antennas on it. If you can see, this thing is tiny actually. So with 4 discrete antennas, and you can actually put it on stack. You know, if you're flying racing drones, you can easily put it on the stack or integrate it with the stack with this design. And or if you are going to fly helicopters, like I'm planning to fly my RS-7 700 size helicopter, I will be able to just add it right here and enjoy a solid, reliable connection with dual ELRS Gemini crossband, reliable and solid RF connection, inshallah. That's my plan. So DBR4 is a tiny and very easy to use receiver. We have a button right here which we will use mostly for binding, and we have TX, RX, 5 volt and ground connections right here for easy soldering. It does come with pins and stuff inside your bag. I'm leaving a link in video description where people who really want to get into those technical mumbo jumbo and all the technicalities of RadioMaster Nomad, please go ahead, check out the link in video description, and you can read all the mumbo jumbo and technical things about this. All right, so RadioMaster is powered on, and you can see the Nomad is powered off at the moment. So what we need to do is just go to a model. I'm just using one of my models, GPS Helis, which I'm using as a backup and reference. but I'm gonna use this model to demonstrate how to use the Nomad. Okay, so I'm gonna go external RF, okay, and set it to crossfire. So once I press this button, you can see the Nomad turns on, and those lights are beautiful. Okay, it just turned on. Now I haven't read the user manual because I'm really super excited to be able to use it, but I'm sure there's a initial setup to be done with this one. However, I'm just want to show you how to use it and how to power it on your RadioMaster radios. So once we are here, our Nomad is turned on. We're going to go to the system and express ELRS Script right here. I'm gonna run it. All right, and there it is. It detected RM RadioMaster Nomad right there. The first option here is the packet rate. At the moment you can see 500 Hz, 2.4G. You can have 333 Hz, full 2.4G, 250 Hz, 150 Hz, 100 Hz, 50 Hz. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it on 500 for now. And then we have telemetry ratio, switching mode, antenna mode, and TX power. This is what I was talking about. I mean, running dual 1-watt transceivers, man, that's just a lot of power right there. So you can use this area to select the max power of your RadioMaster Nomad from 100 watt to 250 to 500, and both of the microwave ovens are on. All right, so for now, as I will be flying line of sight, I will just leave it on 100 milliwatt. Okay, dynamic is off. We can say dyne, aux 9, aux 10. To be honest, I'm not sure what this is, so I'll just keep it off right here. And fan threshold 250 milliwatt. Back, then we have VTX administrator. All right, we have Wi-Fi connectivity. I believe it also have Bluetooth, not just Wi-Fi but Bluetooth. So you can enable Wi-Fi, enable receiver Wi-Fi, so you can update your receivers on the air very easily. Enable backpack Wi-Fi and enable VRX video receiver Wi-Fi. So this is nice, having to have Wi-Fi connectivity. No more cables to connect to upgrade this stuff. Then we have backpack, BLE joystick, bind. Okay, so yes, this is nice. As I was saying, having to have RadioMaster Nomad, which is plug and play and very easy to use transmitter, and gives us a peace of mind that now we have a long range, solid, reliable, dual frequency, dual band control on our model. It is interference free and interference rejection. I would say thank you very much, RadioMaster, for making your radios even better with this all new Nomad. So go ahead, check out the link in video description and you will find all about Nomad. You can easily order it. Do remember, when you order, for no cost at all, we do receive a bit of little commission, which helps us keep on going and keep on bringing you these new videos. Have fun, people. If you have any question, please feel free to drop a comment on this video. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.